Hi, sir.
Hello, Haripriya. Today we have to study about median, na? Mean we have done. Actually, the median, what is median? It's the central value. Median is the central value of the set of observations. That's how the median is defined. That's the median. Now, how do we calculate the median? For individual series, you need to arrange them in increasing or ascending or descending order. After you have done this, if n is odd, means the number of items they are odd, that means the median is value of n plus 1 by 2th term. If n is even, median is half of the value of n by 2th term, 2th item, plus n by 2 plus 1th item. Okay, these are the formulas that you should remember. For an individual series. We have a question or not for this?
Sir, isn't this for ungrouped data?
It's for ungrouped data only, no? But the group data I'll give you. I still not told you about this. The grouped data. Now for the grouped data, what we do, for series in ascending order, so for discrete series, do you know how do we calculate it?
Sir, like, I don't know the formula.
No, actually the process is simple. What we do now, for discrete series, means for discrete series in which frequencies are given, we actually arrange the frequencies of each variable in the ascending or the descending order. arrange frequencies in ascending or descending order. Then find n plus 1 by 2th observation. That's all. Let me give you an example if I have. Wait, let me find.
Sir, I know for discrete series, I need for group data.
Ah, no.
I thought you were asking for group data and I told I don't know.
Acha, do you know about discrete series? Then
Yes, sir.
let me give you a question. Wait. This is the question. Array, I did one thing. I wrote one thing. It's sounding different. Change frequencies. Variables. Arrange variables in ascending or descending order. Then find plus. Now it's correct. Okay. It looks like it was looking like we have to arrange the frequencies in ascending or descending order. Origin of the cumulative frequencies. Now correct.
155.
155. Correct. Correct. Answer is correct. So let me show you. Since they have not joined it, they will have. See how you should have done. Heights are the variables. Okay. Now you will have to write them in ascending or descending order. I'm writing in ascending order. 150, 152, 154, 155, 156. 160, 161, correct na? Frequencies are this frequency with number of students are 8, 4, 154, 3, 7, 3, 12, and 4. Now you have to find out the cumulative frequencies then. Cumulative frequency will be 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 15, then 22, then 25, 12, 37, plus 4, 41. Now n plus 1, how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there, na? 7 plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2. Fourth, this one. This is your median. Like that only you correct calculated, na? Wrong. Actually, how we do, na? 41, because cumulative frequency you are getting as 41. So the n plus 1 by 2 will be 41 plus 1 by 2. Okay, this we know. Hmm. Here it will lie, na? 41 plus 1 by 2, it's 21st. So from 6 here between 15 to 22, 21 will lie in this range, and all from 15 to 22 they will be 155 height. Correct, correct, correct. Hmm. You're comfortable in this, na, Haripriya?
Yeah.
Let me give you one more question. No, 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 no. This is okay. This is okay. Let's try to solve this one. Then we'll do the grouped one. Do this. The median of a set of 9 direct observations is 20.5. Each of the largest 4 observations of the set is increased by 2. Wow.
Sir, what is if
Each of the largest 4 observation means after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 observations are increased by the number 2. Understood? See, there are 9 observations, and after 5, because when we arrange them in the ascending or descending order, suppose ascending order, in the ascending order, the last four observations are increased by the number 2.
last fine, sir?
Last 4, if
Oh, last 4.
each of the largest 4, they are saying each of the largest 4 observations, total 9 observations are there, and largest, we have arranged them in increasing order, so the largest 4 will be the last 4, no? They are increased by the number 2.
Sir, I'm getting the same answer. It's
Correct,
like no.
because that's the answer only. Nothing will be changed, na, because the median is the fifth one, and you are changing the observations which are large after the median. So why it will change? Median will remain same, na? Correct? Understood?
Yes.
Mhm. Now let's study the formula for group data.
Sir, one Diva and Kanishka.
Diva said she's having exam on Monday, final physics exam she has. on Monday.
Like for
So,
first year.
for first year. And Haripriya, this Kanishka also have the exam. Yesterday she had exam. I think she did not join today because she must be having exam tomorrow. I think tomorrow or Monday something. It may be final because then only because she messaged me yesterday, sir. Because of the exam, I'm not able to join. From when your final exams will start?
So the boards, I think it's February 10th.
Hmm. Class 11 is not board, na? Yours is board. You are in which CBSE board, na?
No, sir, no, it's like I thought in our college we call the normal written test as boards. So
Acha, okay,
it came
okay.
in.
Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. From Feb? Which date?
They told it will start from February 10th. I don't
Oh.
know what date.
Hmm. See, I'll give you an example. These things you'll be able to understand only through examples, otherwise not. And I'll give you questions to solve with that. See, this is the question. Compute the median. We have to compute the median for this. See, now compute the median. What we have to do, see, it's in ascending order. It's in ascending order, descending order. Same you can do for ascending and descending also. Wait. Median is this. So what we do, first we need to write the cumulative frequency of each. 0 to 10 because it's given the marks are in ascending order. So this becomes the ascending order table. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. So it is increasing one. Okay. Now, according to formula C, what they have given, median is this given by this formula L plus N by 2 minus C by F into I. There is a lower limit of the median class. So first you have to find out the median class. For that, you have to frame the cumulative frequency table. Let me do it. You add it. Okay. Adding comes. Let me write it here only. Cumulative frequency. It will be 2. It will be 18 plus 2 what? 20. And 20 plus 30, 50. 50 plus 45, 95. 95 plus 35 is what? 130, na? 130 plus 20, 150. 156. 159. Okay? Correct, na? No mistake? Haripriya, check.
No.
Okay. Now to find out, first we have to find out the median class. It will be n plus 1 by 2. Since n is 50, 159, it's odd. If it was even, we would have used this formula. It is odd, n plus 1 by 2th item. 159 plus 1 by 2, 160 by 2, 80. Now 80 will lie in the class after 50, na? After 50 in this 50 to 95. So it will lie in the class 30 to 40. So this becomes your median class. Understood, Haripriya?
Yes.
Now you have to apply that formula. That formula that you have, let me write it here. L plus, the formula you have is L plus N by 2 minus C divided by F into I. L is what? See what they have given. L is the lower limit of the median class. Median class you have found, it's the lower limit is 30. So L will be 30. What is N, capital N? Sum of all the frequencies. Sum of all the frequencies is 159. So 159 by 2, or if you add them, you'll get 159 only, minus what is C? C is a cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class is what? This one, 50. So I'll write 50 here. And wait, sorry. Now what is F? F is the frequency of the median class. What is the frequency of median class? It's 45. So I'll divide it with 45. What is I? I is the width of the median class. It's 10. Multiplied with 10. And then solve it and then see which answer you are getting.
Sir, what the option?
Options are there: 36.55, 35.55, 40.05. None of these.
Sir, option one.
36.55, no? Yes, correct.
I told you that time itself.
Acha, no, I thought you are saying, sir, where are the options? Maybe tell me one thing. Did they give you questions on this one? Or they've just given the formula and then they told you about the mean deviations and all? Okay, I want to give you more question, but I'm not getting. Let me see. I'm only finding mean deviation questions. Wait. Wait, let me give you an question for you to do. Let me give you a question. I have a question, but let me write it. It's not proper for practice. A survey regarding the weight of 45 students of class 10 of a school was conducted and following data was obtained. Find median weight. I'm writing the table weight. The table you have is this. This is weight in kg and this is number of students. 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, and 50 to 55. 2, 5, 8, 10, 7, 10, 3. Do it. Options are not there. You have to calculate and give me the answer.
Sir, could you move up a little?
You want formula?
$43.7.
Hmm, correct. So median you know how to calculate. Acha, one more thing is there. For descending data also we should have the formula. It's there or not? Series in descending order. It's not necessary that every time you will have a series in ascending order, but most of the times they will actually see whenever they ask questions now, they actually they won't ask much questions on this median calculation and all. Actually, the most of the questions that they will be asking is from the stand for finding the variance and standard deviation that you will be finding out, that you will be learning later. Probably in the next class I'll teach you. But then also for median there are two formulas, one for ascending and descending. Ascending we have learned. Descending I'll be giving you similar way you have to do it. The median is given by u minus n by 2 minus c divided by f into I. What is u? U is the upper limit of median class. You have to calculate the total frequency, cumulative frequency. If it is odd, use that formula n plus 1 by 2. If it is even, use that other formula, and then find out the median class. And after finding the median class, take the upper limit of the median class is u, and you know it is sigma fi, and rest all things are same. These things, frequency, let me copy it. These are same. Frequency, and sum of all frequencies, i.e. the width of median class, cumulative class missing the median class. Okay, same formula only, but again I'm telling you, most of they actually do not ask questions on this. Now let's move on to the mode. Today I'll complete mode also. Then in the next class I will move on to the standard deviation and all. The standard deviation and the variance and all. Most of the questions are being asked on that only. What is mode? Mode is actually that variable which has the maximum frequency. Usually for data, it will be, suppose normal data, it will be easy to calculate. But for grouped data, I'll give you the formula. So let me give you an example. Suppose you have x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. The frequencies are given f1, f2, f3, f4 and f5. And suppose it's given that the maximum frequency is f4, suppose. Means f4 is the greatest of all. Yes, Haripriya? Means it's like, suppose the value of f1 they have given as 1, f2 as 5, f3 as 3, f4 as 10, f5 is 6. Because f4 is maximum, the corresponding variable becomes the mode. Got it? Hello, Haripriya, able to
Yes,
follow?
yes, I have.
Hmm. Did not hear your sound. So you understood now what is mode. Now, what happens when there is a continuous series? For continuous series, let me write the formula. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. This is the mode. What is L1? L1 is the lower limit of modal class. Modal class is what? For which the frequency is maximum. F1 is the frequency of modal class. F0 is what? Frequency of class preceding modal class. F2 is the frequency of modal class, frequency of class succeeding. Modal class, and I is the size of the modal class. Okay, let me give you an easy question on this, because the questions actually they ask is very easy on this. Just quickly give me the answer. Actually, it's very easy. See this one. No calculations. Easy na? Which one? अरे हाँ,
Mode is easiest.
it's the easiest one na. Why do they actually the kind of question that they ask na actually in the examinations also are these types of only mod one. They do not use this formula I have given, but they won't ask such questions. It's 6 because the maximum frequency is 10, so the answer will be 6. The mode is 6. But there is a relation that sometimes it is useful. Uh, the relation is mean minus mode is equal to 3 times mean minus median. Hmm. or I'll give you the final one. Wait. Mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean, this relation. If you know, if you have found out the value of mean in some question, and you know the median also, the mode you can find out by using this relation. That's sometimes useful.
Actually, it's easier to find median from this.
It's this one, na? That's why I gave you this relation. After this, actually, the good questions actually they start from this one, measure of dispersions, where they ask range, standard deviation, and variance and all. That we'll do in the next class. In your CBSE, in your boards also, if they ask question, they'll be asking from this only. On the next part, then we'll discuss some quartiles and all. In the next class, we'll be studying measures of dispersion. That's range, mean deviation, standard deviation, variance. Square deviation, but square deviation is not important, not that much. But standard deviation, these fours, most of the questions are asked from this only. Okay, let's end the class today.